Collaborative response is an organizational mindset that involves some fundamental shifts for schools and districts, such as layering collaborative team structures, transforming how we talk about student needs, focusing on students close to meeting expectations through thoughtful organization of data and evidence, and ensuring the tiering of supports rather than students. Join us for the online course Collaborative Response 101. That takes approximately 2 hours to complete. This is an ideal course for leaders to gain an understanding of this robust school-wide framework. In this online course, there are 6 modules, starting with an introduction to support you in navigating the course, followed by 4 modules of content. This includes the foundations of collaborative response, collaborative structures and processes, data and evidence, and continuum of supports. The final module is focused on wrapping up your learning. We're excited to provide this learning for you in an easily accessible course, which provides you with a flexible learning platform so you can complete it when you are able and return to any portion at a later date. Join us today to learn more about collaborative response and how you can use this powerful framework in your school.